Okay, new alternator is installed. The wire is repaired, and I've put in some RTV sealant just to make sure that hopefully I'll never have to revisit this again. This one is good to 343 Celsius or 650 Fahrenheit. The cap that goes on top of here broke, so I had to put one. There is a seal here. I did keep it, but I put in RTV just in case. I repaired the wire here. It's cracked and the metal is showing. Here as well, you can see the kink in the wire is very clear. I installed these, but this is a temporary installation. I mean, I'm just testing. This wire is going to be, this wire set is going to be replaced. This one is going to be replaced. There is a ground wire that I had repaired a few days ago. Well, you can see the repair isn't that good. It's still showing metal, so I'll apply a couple of coats more on it just to seal it for now. The top part worked though. It's worked nicely, but yeah. Anyway, yeah, the main issue with these cars seems to be the wiring. It's wiring everywhere I look. I seem to find exposed wires. I guess this is not an exposed wire, but it sure looks like one. It's not an exposed wire, oh thank God. One less wiring harness to fix. So fuel rails are back on. I stupidly tried to tap with a mallet one of the rails, and I kinked it. Worst case scenario, I'll just replace that whole rail. It's too bad. Oh well, we'll keep going till it's done. Okay.